Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to register for MSCA account. First, open your web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone and go to the My Service Canada account website. Once the website loads, click on Register for an account to begin the registration process. Now choose your preferred sign-in method. You can register using a GCKey account or sign in through a participating financial institution using the Sign-in Partner option. If you already have a GCKey account, simply enter your credentials. If not, select Sign Up and create a new GCKey username and password. Next, carefully read the terms and conditions and accept them to continue. Now enter the required personal information, including your social insurance number and any other details requested to verify your identity. Make sure all information matches your official records to avoid delays during registration. After that, complete the identity verification process. Depending on the verification method available, you may be asked to answer security questions, use a verification service, or provide additional information. Then create your security questions, answers, and recovery options. Choose answers that are easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. These security questions can help you recover access to your account if you ever forget your login details. Next, create and confirm your multi-factor authentication method if prompted. This may involve receiving a security code by text message, phone call, email, or through an authentication application. Multi-factor authentication helps keep your account secure and protects your personal information. After that, review all the information you have entered. Make sure everything is correct before submitting your registration. Now submit the application and wait for confirmation that your account has been created successfully. Once registration is complete, sign into your new MSCA account using the sign-in method you selected earlier. After logging in, you'll be able to access a variety of Service Canada services. These may include employment insurance information, Canada Pension Plan details, old age security information, your record of employment, benefit applications, payment information, and other available government services. Take some time to explore your account dashboard and become familiar with the available features. You can also update your contact information, manage direct deposit details, and review important documents directly from your account. For security purposes, always sign out when you're finished using your account, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.